Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your freelance opportunities with Indeed, complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by creating an account on Indeed if you don't have one. Visit the Indeed website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required details to set up your profile. Once you have an account, focus on completing your profile. Include a professional photo that represents you effectively. Write a concise and impactful summary highlighting your skills and experience. Make sure to list your relevant work history and showcase your best projects. Use keywords relevant to your freelance niche in your profile description. Next, explore the job search feature on Indeed. Enter specific terms related to your freelance skills in the search bar. Filter results based on your preferences such as location and job type. Consider setting up job alerts to receive notifications for new postings. After identifying opportunities, tailor your resume and cover letter for each application. Showcase your skills that align with the specific job requirements. Once you submit your application, prepare for potential interviews. Research the company and familiarize yourself with their needs. Practice common interview questions and develop clear responses. Follow up on your applications after a week if you haven't heard back. Utilize the Indeed resources available for freelancers, such as articles and guides. Join online forums or groups related to freelancing to expand your network. Connect with potential clients and other freelancers through these platforms. Finally, keep your profile updated with your latest projects and skills. Consistent updates will enhance your visibility and attract more opportunities. With dedication and strategic use of Indeed, you can significantly boost your freelance opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.